Breathe new life into that old trailer with a heavy-duty, high-speed hub from Ultra-Tow. Available individually, the hub comes pre-assembled, pre-lubed with premium grease, and ready to go on the axle. Ductile cast iron construction gives it higher tensile strength, less deflection, and excellent corrosion resistance. It's also electroplated to resist rust and corrosion. Everything you need is included: bearing cup, studs, bearings and seal, with the dust cap installation tool, cotter pin, and lug nuts. And with the Ultra-Tow Easy ID, you can quickly identify the components you need, so going from assembly to operation has never been simpler.